Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ULEFONE Armor 21 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down again and go to device unlock and tap on fingerprint and face unlock. If you've got your regular screen lock, I mean the pattern, pin or password, you will have to enter it to confirm the whole step and you will be transferred to another one. If not, you have to add a screen lock right now. You can either use a pattern, pin or password, obviously, so I'll pick the pattern. Let me quickly draw it, tap on next, redraw it and confirm. Now we can decide what kind of notification content we want to show on the lock screen, so it's completely up to you. Just mark the option and tap on next. So now we have to tap on fingerprint. Here tap on more. Obviously you can read all of that because here we've got the information how the fingerprint actually works, that you can remove it, that you can use it for different options. So just tap on I agree. And here we've got the instructions. So we have to touch the power button without pressing it because the sensor is located on the power button right here. So let me put my finger on it. And now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition. Change the position of your finger. Obviously, your device will show you different announcements or hints what you're doing wrong, because sometimes you will have duplicated area, sometimes you will not press firmly enough into the sensor so it won't catch your finger, etc. So just read the instructions that are shown on the screen. Okay, we just successfully did it. It's quite easy in this device. Let's tap on done to confirm. And this is the fingerprint section. We do not have a lot of things to customize here. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it by tapping on it or remove it by tapping on the trash bin icon. And we can add another fingerprint. I believe that we can add up to 5 different fingerprints. It is a usual number of fingerprints in devices. So now all we have to do is to lock the device and check if it is working. So let me put my finger on the sensor. And the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. All right, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.